Lot of action over there and a clear sign of weakness. A large part of the weak global cues and many factors which are really giving uncertainty to the market, and therefore Nifty 50 finding it difficult to really hold on to the 25,000 levels. It did slip below 25,000 mark today and limping back slightly, but not looking like a comfortable run at the particular moment above that particular psychological level. But not just Nifty 50. Remember, the broader market, which is the mid-cap as well as the small-cap universe, they are the ones which are underperforming the key indices by a huge margin, closer to 2% downtake on mid-cap and small cap index. Well, when we look at the sectoral play, bank index is also slightly underperforming the key indices. IT is doing bad. Defense is the one which has dragged the most. In terms of some of the contributions, well, taking a look at the key factors that are really putting pressure on Nifty 50, the big boys like ICICI Bank, L&T, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Reliance Industries are the top draggers. In terms of percentage drag and not in terms of heavyweight drag, Trent is on my radar with more than 3% downtake and a huge amount of weakness coming in there. Eternal, TCS, HUL are some of the gainers with a slight tinge of green on the screen. But Sharad has all the details of the internals of this mayhem that we are seeing in the market. Sharad.
Well, thanks a lot for that, Nisha. Nifty is retesting the 25,000 levels. This is the first time it has actually fallen down below the mark. This is since October 6, 2025. Of course, initially we got to know that the Nifty fell below the 200 DMA and then the 25,000 mark, and that's on an intraday basis. But yes, a minor recovery is definitely happening in the trade, which Nisha actually pointed out as well. Might be slight, kind of a short covering, but market is still in an oversold position. Speaking about the RSI numbers, that's on the lower side. That's around 28, 29. But the main concern remains is the global risk-off sentiment. That's playing out for the third straight day. That's what we have seen globally. This is happening. And of course, the issues are happening across the segment. The rupee, that's near its record low levels. That's also one concern. It's around 91.5. It's fallen, or you could say weakened 50 paise in just one day. Imagine. There is no RBI intervention news flow also, and that's a concern for the street as well. FI shorts are unchanged at 11%. You could say the longs are at 11%, or largely we could say these numbers. But the FI is remaining seller for the 11th straight day, and that is something which you'll be watching out for. Weak breadth in the market continues, and India VIX, it's up near that 14. It's up 23% in the last 5 days. So, of course, a lot of reasons are there, but the global yield market, the bond markets are showing concern. Over to you, Nisha.